Good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money Victory. Today is 15th of December, and let's see what's happening in the market and what is that you need to do. What happened yesterday in the Indian market, in the US market, European market, and what is that you need to do, and how you need to place yourself is something which we will be discussing. If you're still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and like this video so that you will get all the latest notification. So let's see what happened yesterday, guys. Let's see what happened yesterday. As I told you, market is in a very tight range, and we have been trading with 13,500 at the lower level is giving a lot of support, and 13,600 the higher level is giving a lot of resistance. So we have been trading in this zone of 13,400 to 13,600 from the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, and now that once we are going to break that, then only anything will happen, or else this is probably going to consolidate in the same way. But if you have been noticing, whatever swing trade ideas I have been giving, most of the stocks whichever I have been sharing in that way swing trade ideas, each of these stocks have moved up 2 to 5% during this particular period where the market has been consolidating. So that is the reason I have been telling you that market may consolidate, but it is still a buy on dips opportunity. It is stock specific opportunity which is there, and you need to actually focus on the stocks, and once you are able to get that, then you will understand the benefit of that. Yesterday in the US market, we made newer highs, but it couldn't sustain. So what is happening is at the higher level there is some selling which is coming. So that could be still a profit booking, because there's nothing significant which we can see. So overall we can see flat to negative in the S&P and Dow Jones, and it is positive in Nasdaq and the Russell 2000. So overall things looks mixed at this point of time, and if you look at the European markets, they have all, most of them are actually flat to positive. So overall the market is having showing some mixed opinions. So I still see market may still trend in the same range between 13,500 to 600 right now. 13,500 itself, it is trying to take support, so it is trying to move higher. If you see, from 13,400 it was taking support, now it is trying to take support at 13,500. So as long as we are in the same range, there is nothing much which is going to happen with the index. Even if you look at the bank nifty, it traded very narrow yesterday. Generally we have 500 points movement which happens in the bank nifty, but yesterday we had a very narrow range of around 200 points. Overall things are still looking positive, and there's nothing which we can see as a negative factor, though US market might be giving you some mixed signals. Overall there's nothing much which is happening, and it's still a buy on dips at this point of time, and market may continue to move higher only. So it's better that you need to see, index wise this is very difficult for you to take any kind of a trade, because you may make profits, you may make loss. So if you have any index options, and if you are making profits, try to book the profits, because if this is going to continue, probably we may be waiting for the stimulus to happen in the US, or probably the Brexit, some good news to come, or probably the stimulus sorry, the Fed related issues. So that would generally happen only on Thursday. So right now I don't see any much of a thing happening. Until unless we break the range, we may still continue into the same range, and only then probably we may see some break kind of a breakout on probably this Thursday. So today is Tuesday, Wednesday, still 2 more days we may still consolidate. But if we break any point of time 13,600, probably then we are heading towards 13,700 and 800. See, either of the two things can happen. One is we can still be in the range. Two, we can actually slowly start moving higher. Until unless we don't go below 13,400, it is still a buy on dips at this point of time. And bank nifty 30,600 is acting as a very strong support, which was an important resistance. So right now we are at a channel resistance, and if we are going to uh, give a false breakout, then the correction can happen, which is looking unlikely at this point of time, or else we can actually move much higher. In that case, it can actually, we may see a good 500 points movement which could happen in the market. When it is going to happen is the time is just going to say. At this point of time, we can see that the market is consolidating, which means it is getting ready for a next bigger up move, and once that comes, it can be much stronger and much bigger. So stay tuned, be with stock specific, that will be the best opportunities. If you look at the gold silver, they have been actually consolidating again, and they are facing a lot of resistance at the higher level. So probably we may still see a sideways movement, and higher levels still the selling can come, and in that case actually we are heading down towards 1750. So that means in the Indian market we have been in the range of 48,000 to 50,000 at this point of time, and if we cannot break that 50,000 barrier, we may actually head towards 45,000 range. So look at that. And crude oil is again facing a challenge at the higher levels. As I have told you, there's not much of a upside which is there, but still, as long as the stock market is going to be up, it may try to move higher, but the higher levels it will start actually facing resistance, and now slowly it should start actually moving on the downside. So gold, silver and crude, it is more of sideways to negative. Stock market is still sideways to positive, so you can take a trade according to how you feel. If I think today we may open flattish, like looking at the way it is. If we open flattish, there is a possibility that we may try to move higher. So but anyway, until unless the 13,600 that resistance is not broken, we may still have the same issues. Even if it breaks, probably tomorrow it may try to again strike back and try to go try to push it a little lower. So we need to be a little careful at this point of time. But if you are trading, if you are index trader, you need to trade in and out. You cannot be in this holding to that, because um, if you see for the last 3-4 days, that is how actually the markets have been, and you need to trade accordingly. So guys, if you have been liking this video, please like this on the YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. In case you want to be a part of my pro trader club, which is an exclusive club where I actually help people to become professional traders, you can join my telegram group, which is Crazy Money with Tree. Go and search that, and there's a link there. Go and join that WhatsApp group. So I'll be actually sharing you all the details about this club and how it functions and how you can be a part of this. So guys, and if you want to actually, if you're new to the market, want some learning, go to my playlist. You have all the, I have 5 days of program which actually talks about the basics of the stock market, and it gives you a lot more information, and that will really help you in taking a better trade. Go ahead and look at that. And I also have a video which is to do with the pro trading system, which is a 5-day WhatsApp program which I'm doing just for $4.99. Go and join that. That will change your perspective of looking at trading, and you will actually start trading in a much better way. Thank you very much guys. Have a great and prosperous day.